Effect of technology on the environment. I would like to start saying that technology has positive and negative points or things. I think technology brings its main benefit. This industry is constantly innovating and showing up. They make our lives easy. Without technology, many of us cannot work or study, or we can do simple things like communicate and do use. This aspect, I think technology is positive in our lives if used that correctly. But the technology can affect us in a bad way and directly will not only us, the environment, animals and nature. It causes deforestation, contamination, and the water on floors, cause global warming and natural resource scarcity. The technology can affect we even when they no longer works. They are responsible and our technology waste and that pollutes. So your lives as will represent to the planet and environment are affected and this is not good as I consider that technology can affect our physical and mental health. Like I said before in my writing work, I think our lives already depend on technology. I cannot see humans without technology. But some hope we can control this. The governments and big industries have to take care of the planet and their people. Thank you.